Hello, hi everybody. It's the mobile home mama out here bopping around in the lot. Thought I'd take some time to enjoy this beautiful weather. And we've got a 16 by 60 Attica. You know, I can always tell the Attica home because it's gonna have a second bedroom here or a third. We have a 3-bedroom also, but this is a 2-bedroom, and the window is gonna be off-centered a little bit. Look next door. Not an Attica. I knew right away this was an Attica. It's our only 16 by 60 single wide that you're gonna find, which is a peculiar size and perfect. I had a customer come in today. It took him into a 66. That was a little too big. So then took him into a 52, a little too small. And just like the Bear family, this one was just the right size. So what was that? The Goldilocks and the 3 bears, right? Here we are walking into the main living room. Please don't hold this against me, but I'm in front of a computer all day, and things get crazy. Walking into the Attica, we've got a wide open space, plenty of room if you want to add an island, and this customer has enlarged some windows. Always think that's a great idea, especially if you're wanting to bring some natural light in, and this seems to be the most popular colors now. This urban oak has really been a huge hit for us this year. And this new countertop, Roa Bosco, I don't know which way to say it, but I say it both ways anyways, seems to be the most popular cabinet color for 2025. And then pair that with some black cabinet handles and a black appliance package, and you're in business. Now this customer decided to go with a standard hood over the range. You can put a microwave there if you like. And then we kept the cabinets at the normal 30-inch height. So there you have it in a kitchen. Nice wide open space. We could do a 013 island here, or even a larger island than that, whatever you're looking for. No problemo. And going into the living room, like I said, nice and wide open space. We do have a VOG wall here. So this is 3/8-inch drywall with a vinyl backing, batten strips every 4 feet. And headed back here, this is available in a 2 or a 3-bedroom version. This is the 2-bedroom version. You've got a nice little foyer area. In this particular home, if you look across the way here, we've got the doors on the same side. That's called a reverse aisle. If you go with the normal standard floor plan, it would flip the kitchen to that side and this door would be over here, which would mean you would have quite a space here with nothing. They've added this window. That's not a standard window in this home. So quite a bit of space here where you could move that door down by the 2nd bedroom. In almost all cases, when I'm building this floor plan, that happens so that you have a door closer to the 2nd bedroom. Here's bed number 2. Here's a sneak peek into the closet. Bath number 2. Standard tub shower combination there. 3-bulb light strip is going to be the standard lights in the bath. Of course, you're going to have a lighted bath fan in the Aspire series. You could change that to a 2-arm vanity and really increase the light in here. A lot of people will also add a can light over the bathtub. Very, very typical thing. All right, let's head to the other end of the home. Headed back towards the utility area, we're going to have a nice washer and dryer spot. You can add a shelf there. You could also add washer dryer cabinets if you like. Just a couple $100 on those, and those will match the rest of your wood. You're always going to have a water shutoff valve available to you inside of the home. And then also your dryer is going to be right beside there. Heading into the primary bedroom. Take a look at the closet. And then finally, the primary bath. It's starting to get dark here in Indiana, so the light in here is not the greatest. But we would call that an ensuite, right? Because it's coming right off of your bedroom. And here it is, the Attica. 2 or a 3-bedroom, wide open floor space. And thank you for bebopping with me today. We'll talk to you soon.